Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe in your home. From class 2nd English reader, today from Twist Your Tongue, we will say these words aloud. These words end with the sound of ick. So are you ready? Students, repeat with me. L-I-C-K, leak. C-H-E-C-K, check. S-I-C-K, seek. T-H-I-C-K, thick. M-O-C-K, mock. F-L-O-C-K, flock. Leak, check, seek, thick, mock, flock. B-A-C-K, back. N-E-C-K, neck. D-U-C-K, duck. S-A-C-K, sack. और C-O-C-K, cock. Back, neck, duck, sack, cock. Repeat once more time. Leak, check, sick, thick, mock, flock. Back, neck, duck, sack, cock. Now say these words aloud. These words beginning with the sound of sweet. So, sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. S-W-I-M, swim. S-W-I-N-G, swing. S-W-A-T, sweat. S-W-A-L-L-O-W, swallow. Sweet, swim, swing, sweat, swallow. S-W-A-M-P, swamp. S-W-E-E-L, swell. S-W-I-F-T, swift. S-W-A-Y, sway. S-W-A-P, swap. Swamp, swell, swift, sway, swap. Repeat again. Sweet, swim, swing, sweat, swallow, swamp, swell, swift, sway, swap. Now use words ending in ick or beginning with swa to fill in the blanks. हमें इन ब्लैंक्स में उन वर्ड्स को भरना है जो इक से एंड हो और स्वा से स्टार्टिंग हो. ठीक है. यहाँ पे कुछ जम्बल्ड वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं. द जम्बल्ड आंसर इन गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट अगेंस्ट ईच सेंटेंसेस. Now first, योगेश is not well. योगेश अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रहा है. He is feeling dash. So here we will write sick. S-I-C-K, sick. Sick means बीमार. He is feeling sick. Now next, every morning I go for a where? See the picture and tell me. Swimming. S-W-I-M-I-N-G, swimming. Every morning I go for a swimming. Now third, these grapes are very. ग्रेप्स कैसे होते हैं? या तो बहुत स्वीट होते हैं या फिर बहुत सॉर होते हैं। तो इन जम्पर्ड वर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे, स्वीट, SWEET, स्वीट। These grapes are very sweet. Now next, a dash of gases just flow by. So here we will put flock, FLOCK. Flock means झुंड। एक गेज means कल हंस का झुंड अभी उड़ गया। A flock of gazes just flew by. So students, that's it for today. Your today's homework is do it in your fair copy. Okay students.